Day after camping, and thought I would show you a little bit about how I take care of my tarps and my ropes and stuff after I'm done, a wet and dirty camp out like I just had last weekend where I fried up that chicken. So, yeah, hope you enjoy this and just give you an idea of what it takes to keep all this stuff together. Okay, here's all my dirty gear. So, first thing I'm going to do is sort out my ropes, and I'm going to tie one across my yard and suspend my tarps and hose and brush them down. You may as well come up here and watch this with me. I'm going to take one of my little Prusik loops up, and you'll see I got some eye bolts installed on my deck for this exact purpose. See that right there? So I just install a Prusik loop on the rope. If you don't remember how to do that, well, I suggest you go back through my video library and look up a recent video I made about tying this Frank Bush style Prusiks in connection loop. So here's my Prusik, and make a cow's hitch or a lark's head through the eye bolt. Put the knot through the cow's hitch. So draw it up tight. There, a little bit of traction. Like that. And we can just slide it right. Don't want to hit my fence right here. That should be tight enough to get my tarp up. We just got one left to do. So we'll take that down here and have a look at that. See, this is how I got this one tied up too. Same thing. And works well. And I just find that if I do this with my tarps after I'm done camping, then when I go back out camping next time, everything's clean and dry and much easier to set up. And also, I store all this gear in my basement, and it stinks. Like, the fire smoke really stinks. So I'm gonna set up this next one here and give it a wash. Tarps are all hung. Gonna give it a chance to dry. Got a couple more ropes to clean up, but yeah, pretty critical to take care of your stuff when you're done, so that it's ready and usable when you need it. So I'm just going to clean up these this webbing, this other couple ropes here. As you can see, I still have some loops and prusiks on there. I'm going to take off and I'll clean those up as well. Bingo bango. Okay, tarps are all cleaned up, suspended and dry. As you can see, this one's already almost dry. It doesn't take very long once they're hung up. And yeah, after they're, give them an hour or two out here, let them dry. This one's a little bit tougher to dry because it's still sitting on the ground a bit there, but yeah, all my ropes and whatnot, getting some air. I don't leave them outside for too long, you know, try to avoid the UV exposure, but yeah, so just thought I'd give you a little show on how I clean up my gear, because I do use it very often and I like to keep it in good condition.
Toodaloo, mother sucker.